Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color changing text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word colorful. You can type in anything you want, of course. I'm also going to change the font. Again, you can choose any font that you'd like. Okay. I'm then just going to select a color, for instance this pink one first, and then I'm just going to add a keyframe to the color, go to the next frame and then change it to another color, then go to the next frame, change it to another color, then again here, and you're just going to keep alternating in between colors. I know it's a very tedious process, like I'm just gonna tell you that right now, but I guess it's just the way it is. If you want, you can like just stop there with the colors you choose, right click, create compound clip, and just copy and paste it so that you don't have to add in keyframes all the time. So this is what it should look like at the end. It is super simple, a little bit tedious, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.